Hello, hello, hello again, my friends. I am back again with another video. My God, first none, and now suddenly it's like this retinue of videos. This is why I'm opening packages. I mean, as I told you, I participated in two trades through a group up on that Facebook group I belong to, Who Gives a Scrap, and this one is a tag, and I have, you guys have seen, I've done the videos already on the tags, or you will see. I mean, in the order these all come out. I have done my set and it's ready to go, and I had made myself the promise. This already arrived. It arrived early this week because this person, my trade buddy Lisa, had her act together, unlike me. But I am now ready. I told her I was not going to open her box until I had mine done, because out of a guilty conscience, if nothing else. So, but I want to open this and share it with you guys, what my trade, what I got. I am so excited. I can't wait to see what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna open it that way, so we're gonna open it this way. Goodness, as we all love it. We all recycle our boxes. Yay! That's what we should all do. Let's, save ourselves a bit. So let's see what I have got in here. What did I get? Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, chocolate! Yay, we all need chocolate. Chocolate is good. Look at this. Oh my gosh, because we need inspiration. Chocolate inspires us all, but look at that. And a napkin, and just in case. Oh my God, but we could make these cards with these. Look, these are so cute, but if nothing else, it's because I'm messy. So we're going to put those together with the chocolate. And that was one of the things, the challenge was include a pair of socks. Where did she? Oh my gosh, well, I know where she got them, but she found Minnie Mouse. I cannot believe it. Oh my goodness, Lisa, if you see this, and hopefully, oh my God, I am dying. I'm dying. Because I'm a Disney freak. Oh my goodness, but look. Oh my God. I mean, I don't know, let's pull this out. Oh, look, more chocolate. Yay. The complete, oh my goodness, look at this. It's a box of, oh my. Look at these. Look at these are all, I'm assuming these are all, oh my goodness. I am absolutely, positively blown away. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is nothing. Look at all of these little, I want to use, oh my gosh, because I still have my cards to make so I might be able to incorporate these in some of my, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my golly. But look at the spider's the best. This is so cute. I absolutely love it. Oh my, and the box. A complete apothecary anthology. I love this. And look, peanut M&Ms. Because I'm a total peanut butter, peanut M&M person. And there's more things. So let's look at all the other stuff. And Reese's, because chocolate and peanut. These are my favorites. She got it. Peanut butter, the peanut butter M&Ms. Oh my gosh. And a skeleton. Oh my gosh, it lights up. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. So let's see, how do we make it work? Because we have to see this. We have to see that. How do I, okay. Does it come with instructions? Because this is me we're talking about. Okay. So let's, hang on. We're going to figure this out together, because I'm special. So is there like a little tag? Oh, there's a little button here, right? Or is there? I can't tell. What? Oh, here it is. Hello. So let's see if we turn it this way. Oh my gosh. Where am I going to hang this? Oh my. Oh no. See now. Yeah, motion activated. So he's going to do all that creepiness as long as we keep moving. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Lisa, I love him. He is too stinking adorable. We're going to hang him right here. Will it stay right there? Let's see. I'm going to hang him. I'm sorry if you guys are jiggling, but I'm hanging him right. Hang on. Just one second. I'm going to take one more second. If not, then I'll give up. But I think I got it. So there we go. He's hanging right in front of me. Now let's see my tag collection. This is the best. The best part, oh my gosh, look how cute that is. The cup with the eyes, that is perfect. And a ghost, they all had to be Halloween themed. Oh my goodness, boo. I love these. This, oh my gosh, that is so cute and so scary. Look at that. Happy Halloween. I swear I must have this. This looks, give me a second, it's gonna come to me. I swear it reminds me of Can Company. It does. I could be wrong. I don't know, but oh my goodness, I love these. You know what? I know what this is. She's genius. This die set, this popsicle die set, I have it. This is tonic. I have it. It would never have occurred to me to do this for Halloween. Girl, you are something else. You have given me another something else to do with this. Genius. Absolute genius. And a spider web. I love that. The little extra added. Oh my gosh. And there we go. Creepy things. Very creepy. Poison October. I love this. I love it. These are so awesome. Which way to the candy? Absolutely. So perfect. Oh, I'm awestruck. Oh my goodness. I love it. Trick or treat. I love it. I love, like, every card is different, and then we have the little fringy. I was very more thematic. I stuck to Anna Griffin, Crafter's Companion. I wanted to be all themed the same, but this is what I love doing about these trades, is what you see someone, what their creativity is, what they come up with. I'm sorry, I leaned away to put in the track, the backing, but I have chocolate. I have plenty of inspiration. Actually, what's going to do, we're going to add the chocolate into my little box here. And we're going to keep it right here. This is the extras and the inspiration. But oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I love this. I'm going to hang it here so I can look at it. And my socks. I'm going to wear these this week when we go to Disneyland. The next time we'll take the tag up. Like, it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. She could have paid $10,000 for it. She could have paid 50 cents, man. These could be last year's socks. Oh my God. I am so excited over the socks and my cards. And yes, because we go date night. For us, it's Friday night. Steve and I go. Peanut Gallery and I go to Disneyland. That is our date night. Every Friday night we're there. And we ended up going Oogie Boogie style with our oh my goodness, give me a second. I'm going to come up with our spirit jerseys that were from Oogie Boogie last year. And we were going to match up because he has a Nightmare Before Christmas spirit jersey and I have the Sally one. We could not find his to save me for love and money. We must have spent a half an hour looking for that sucker. And it was until I go, this is going to turn up after we come back. And lo and behold, yep, I walked by the bag where he had taken it the week before in case it got cold. And it was sitting in the bag that I hadn't, emptied out yet. So we're going to do it again this week and do our theming or go Halloween because I have Disney Halloween. I'm wearing a Disney Halloween t-shirt right now. So this is perfect. Lisa, you nailed it. Thank you so much. All right, peeps. I have no idea what happened, but in editing, I discovered that the recording cut off. And I remember this, it sticks in my brain now that it happened. But when I checked the camera and look, it's still there. Great and wonderful. I didn't play the last segment. So had I known, I would have realized, had I checked, I would have realized that it cut off. So the very end of this video bit it. And I didn't realize it until days later, changing nails, clothes, a whole 9 yards. So I'm sorry about that, but I did want to end it off. And it's still, again, Lisa, I ate the chocolate already, okay? So, so I can't videotape it because I ate it already. But I loved everything. I've already started using all the little frou-frous you gave me. I mean, and our skeleton friend is hanging in here. I just had to turn him off right now because I kept moving and the table jiggled and this guy's motion detected. So any motion and he goes off and does his spooky thing, which is great unless you're videotaping. Then not so great. But I love him. I love everything you gave me. So thank you again so much for all these wonderful, thoughtful goodies. They're just great. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. But if you enjoyed what I showed you, what I got, then by all means, at least give me a thumbs up. Drop me a note and say hi if you want. If you want to see more madness, needless to say, subscribe, ring that bell because I will be back. I'm on a editing, spiel today. So I'm going to be editing videos pretty much the day. So, thanks a lot anywhere for being there and for hanging in with me all this time. Okay, guys? So go out there and craft. Make something beautiful. And always remember that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day because this has brightened mine hugely. So go out there and make a difference with your craft, okay? And as always, never forget, we're all a little mad here, people. So come on, craft the madness with me. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye!